In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore the missing price block on product pages in Shopify theme. To show you an example, if you notice the product prices on my site are displayed under product cards on collection pages, but if I open the actual product, unfortunately, they're not displayed within the actual product pages. So we need to fix that. So at first, log into your Shopify admin account, and then select Online Store. Now locate theme, in my case it's version 15.3.0, and then select Customize. Once the editor loads, at the very top, click on Home page, and then select Products, and then select Default Product. Then on the left, under Template, look for the product information, and just hover underneath, and you should see this option, Add Block. Click on it, and then select Price. As you can see, the price will be positioned at the very top. Let's just drag it under the title. Now let's save the changes. Then allow a few minutes for the changes to update. Then go back to your site and try refreshing the product page. And as you can see, the price block should be visible right in here, and this change should be reflected on the rest of the product pages, like this one. And lastly, if you added the price block and the issue still persists, there's most likely an underlying problem with the actual theme code. And in this case, it will require in-depth review. So as usual, I hope you found this video helpful. If more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.